You are infinite consciousness. Your very being, its essence, is the reason why everything and anything exists. With this knowledge, you can rise above any tendency, any thought that can hold you back from being that. Questioning your very being. Who am I? By seeing this, you can realize I can let go of past tendencies. I can let go of things that are holding me back. Any limitation I can overcome. Dive within and understand this. And from that, you will let that light shine forth from within. Things that were unthinkable will now be within your grasp. Opening wide, you will fly. You will soar beautifully. And from that, the world will shine. You will shine with it. And from that, everything becomes possible. In your efforts, the courage that you had to take those steps, to move forward and be who you are now, to realize your true being has changed the world. And from that, the world will heal. Dive within and understand this. There will be nothing but unconditional love. Dive within and understand this, allowing the one unified connection to be realized by everyone, by any race, by any religion, by any experience. Everything will be realized as that consciousness. Dive within and understand this, and any thought that was created will reverse itself. Everything will mold into that perfect existence that we always have been. And as people will say, you would scale the stairs of heaven, reaching infinite bliss, infinite possibilities, by just asking yourself, are the steps that I walk every day who I should really be? Are the thoughts that I think every day benefiting humanity in every way it could be? You are infinite consciousness. Your very being, its essence, is the reason why everything and anything exists. And with that knowledge, everything will return back to the source, and you will be free.